once we have this kind of a model, then we look at trimming, where we say, okay, which functions from over here can be removed so that the overall cost of the system, overall efficiency of the process improves significantly. So again, it is the important thing is that you redistribute useful functions of the operations amongst remaining operations. So you removed one step. Suppose you said that, okay, I've removed the step of login authentication from entering into ERP. When you want to enter into ERP, you can still enter. But when you want to save, so along with save, I then ask you to log in. So I moved the separate login step at the beginning of the process to somewhere in the middle, redistributed it to another place, but the useful function has been retained. Are you able to see this? Any questions?
Sir, in the previous slide, what did U and N stand for?
U stood for useful function. N stand for normal performance.
Okay.
Same terminology as, or same legend as product function model that we saw earlier.
Sir, I wanted to ask that in a process, like, will there be any non-useful functions as well? Like any step which is non-useful, like why will we have it if it's non-useful then?
Oh, you may have it simply because it is a byproduct of some other process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
you
sir.
could still have it.
Okay. So like in the bottle process, like everything which we are doing willingly is going to be useful process, and something what we get as a byproduct, let's say, is something which is not useful.
Yeah. So बॉटलिंग वाला जो हमने बात करा उसके अंदर कोई वो नहीं है. There is no harmful function happening here, but there could be processes. For example, the bottle is heated, and it could happen that on a particular shaft floor, the way things are, the heated bottle does come in touch with some other fabric, some other material, and therefore that material gets either burnt or not really usable later. So there could be harmful functions also.
For sure, sir.
They might be unintended, but they just happen.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So when you want to now remove such functions, you need to do again follow a process. What you need to trim or which operations can be trimmed, you can again do from what we call as cause-effect chain analysis and value analysis. Operations for trimming can also be selected based on the types of functions that they perform. And the relative importance of operations is as below, in the sense that productive functions have highest rank, corrective functions have least rank, because they do not really add value. They just take a lot of time, polishing and everything. They just take a lot of time. They actually take some material also with them, but they do not really add much other value. So corrective functions are lowest rank. We do not want them to happen. We do not want to get bogged down by them. But then there are productive functions up the top, and amongst the providing function, supporting function, then transport function, then measurement function. Okay.